Hello, math magicians. Today our I cans are, I can find a missing number. So let's do that together. So if I were to say 1, 2, 3, beep, what will come next? 1, 2, 3. My missing number, beep, would be 4. Let's take a look now at some numbers, and you're going to see where there's missing numbers, and we're going to work together to spy with our eye what that missing number is together. All right, let's take a look at our first one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, beep, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, beep. Counting backwards this time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, beep. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, beep. 4, 5. Great job spying what our missing number is today. Something that we're also going to review as an I can is I can name my three-dimensional shapes. So we're going to take a look at some shapes, and I want you to spy them with your eyes and see if you can tell me if the shapes are a cylinder, cube, sphere, or cone. Here I have our bunny, and he's going to help us out. What shape are we going to tell Mr. Bunny that I have here? Do I have a cube, cylinder, sphere, or cone? Cylinder. How do I know? It has one circle, two circles, and it stands up tall, and it can also roll. I'm going to put this behind our bunny. And it's behind him, all right, but you can't see it. There's our cylinder. How about, what do I have here? Squares that go all the way around. Might say it's a box, but what's the name of the three-dimensional shape I have? A cone, cylinder, cube, or sphere? Cube. I'm going to put that in front of our bunny. Now I have a gumball, and what's this shaped like? A sphere. I'm going to put this next to our bunny. And our last shape is shaped like a cone. Put this on top of our bunny. Great work, friends, spying with your eyes our three-dimensional shapes. We have a cylinder, sphere, cube, and cone. Now we're going to look at some number bonds together. Number bonds, they help keep our math strong. Two pots make a whole. Come on, let's get ready to go. All right, so let's look at some math stories to help us to know that we are adding and putting numbers together. So our essential question is today, how do I know that I'm adding? Well, we know we're putting things together. We also are using words like all together or in all. And you'll hear me a lot as we look at our number bonds today using those words to help us to add. So for our first story today, for our number bond, is in one part, I have 2 flowers. 1, 2. And in another part, I have 1 flower. In all, I have 1, 2, 3 flowers. In one part, I have 3 chicks. And in my other part, I have 3 more chicks. In all, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chicks. Great. Now, in the park, there were a bunny and a chick. Now, the bunny had 1 egg and the chick had none. How many eggs did the bunny and chick have in all? 1. So let's show that with our fingers. The bunny had 1 egg and the chick had none. So 1 and 0 make just 1. We're going to show that today with our read, draw, write. So I'm going to read this to you and we're going to solve it together for a read, draw, write. Bunny has 1 egg. Chick has none. How many do they have in all? Well, let's take a look now at our numerals, our numbers that we have. We have 1. That's important, so we're going to circle that. And I don't see any more, but I see none, and we know none means 0. So I might write that to tell myself I'm talking about 0, so that's pretty important. Now, what words tell us that we might be adding or putting things all together here? Are in all. So I'm going to box that in. That tells me this is important information. I'll be adding. Let's draw a quick math drawing to match what we see here. So I'm going to draw 1 circle to show 1 egg. And then I'm going to draw none to show 0. How many do I have now in all? Just 1. Let's write a equation to show that. I have 1 egg for the bunny plus 0 eggs for the chick. What does that equal? Just 1. I could also show this as a number bond. I could show as a whole, we only have 1 egg because the bunny was the only one with an egg. And I could show my parts as 1 egg for the bunny and my other part as 0 eggs for the chick. 1 and 0 as a whole make 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Wow, friends, you are really great thinkers and math magicians getting so ready for 1st grade. Keep up the hard work and I will be learning with you soon.